When I saw this giant chunk of blue glass for sale, I had to buy it because I knew it was going to make a beautiful spearhead. The first thing I did was try to knock off as many large chunks of glass that I can use for future projects, such as making arrowheads. This blue glass looks like sapphire or even Arctic ice. The more pieces I break off, the less chunky and more like a spearhead this piece of glass becomes. After removing many more chips, the spearhead is starting to take shape, and at this point, I use a deer antler to break off smaller pieces. I also use deer antler tips to press off flakes and shape the tip. The next step is to create the notches down towards the base of the spearhead. These will help secure the spearhead to the spear shaft. I also chip out a small concavity on the base to make it more aesthetic. The very last step on the spearhead is to create small serrations that are basically like tiny teeth. The spearhead is now complete, and I love the way blue glass looks.